Hello everybody, and welcome to our tutorial on conceptual design. I'll be taking you through some of the steps that are involved in this. And along the way, we're going to update this tray from last year's model of a grill into a new, sleeker model. And we'll start off by simplifying the model a little bit, and I'll start on this section on the back. So we know we can remove rounds by double-clicking to get a chain of rounds and filling them in. We can also simplify rounds by selecting one of them, going to Power Select, and then hitting the Find button, which basically queries through the geometry, and we can select the equal or smaller radius rounds and fill them all in as a group. We can also select on this back wall, and a depression will highlight so we can fill that in to further simplify the model. So now we're going to do that on the other side, and we'll select a round and go to Power Select. And notice all the different relationship it comes up with. So we can grab the one we want and fill it in too. So the model appears kind of blocky still, so I want to simplify it a little bit more. So I'll select on these surfaces that I don't want and fill them in. And so the key thing to think about while you're filling things in, and the philosophy that I use, is that if I deleted these surfaces, how would the rest of the surfaces extend themselves to meet and maintain a solid model? Alright, so we filled in the rest of the geometry, but along the way I removed a few rounds that I want to bring back. So I'll bring it back two different ways. So I can go to pull and I can select the edge, and because I know the value I want to create, I'll pull it up to the round on the left. So now we have two rounds of the same size. Also, I could select a round, and I can actually copy that round either with the Control-C or by clicking on our clipboard, and then go back to this edge on the bottom, select the edge, and I'll paste that round back in. Again, getting me an equal round as before. So now that it's filled in, we'll focus on the next step and begin to add a little bit more contour to the model.